Hey, and welcome. In this video, let's look at parts of CSS. So this is CSS code, and this CSS will affect the body element. So this entire code plus the selector. So this entire code plus the selector, this entire thing, this is a rule. So that is one rule in CSS. So if I come here in Sublime, this entire thing will be a rule. I don't have any declarations in between here yet, but this is one rule, that is another rule, that's also another rule, and so on. So this is a selector. This is what selects the element that needs to be affected on the HTML body. So in this case, this one will affect the body. This one will affect a class that is called full page. That affects a class called class 2, and that one also affects a class called class 3. So classes will have the dot and then the name of the class. This one affects an ID. This one affects an ID called page. So the ID will have this hash sign, so that if you see this, this is an ID, and it will affect an element on the HTML page with this ID. Then you can also have tags. So this one will affect all the style that we will declare in between here, will affect all H1 elements. And then this code that is within the brackets, this is what is called declaration. So any styles that we declare in here will affect the selector. So this is generally how CSS is written. You have a selector. This one will select what element is being affected. Then you give the rules. This is called a property. This is also another property. That's a property. And then that is a value of the property. So background color, its value is black. Then the value, and then this is also a value. So this is property value pairs. You'll usually hear people say property value pairs. So a property and a value pair, and then it is ended by a semicolon. This one will end this line, and this line will also be ended by a semicolon. So the property value pairs are ended by semicolons, and the value and the property are separated by a colon. So I will see you in the next video, and in the next video we are going to dive a little deeper into one of the most important things in CSS. So I will see you in the next video.